Siyabingelela egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Igama lami ke nguThabani ST Dlamini. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sila eGagasini, la eDurban. Yes, vakashele kudadewethu la. Bomkhumbula abanye ngalo yanyaka loyana wakwazivakashela la kwi platform yethu saxoxa. Yo, it was something else. So nje esiphathele istory sakhe wayesixoxela sona. Uzothi ukusihighlight kancane mawukuthi wena uyaqala ukuyibona le video. Mhlawumbe mawukuthi awukwazi uyibone, I would advise ukuthi uvakashele uhambe uyobona i-chat yethu esake sabanayo. Kodwa futhi naye uzothi ukusi highlightela kancane ukuthi konje sasikhuluma ngani. It was something else, something deep. Yes. So ke ula eduze kwami namhlanje. Wayesiphathele lanje bese sikhuluma qala kwakuyinto that has to do with usatanist, Illuminati, njani zonke lezi zinto lezo. So uzokhona ukuthi asichazelele naye futhi kanjalo. Bacishe bathwala ngaye. uNkulunkulu wamseva ula namhlanje. So ke ula next to me. Siswap.
ST.
Yaphila.
Yaphila my brother. Kunjani?
Ngirise, right when.
Ngikhona.
Thank you so much for coming.
Uwe nje.
Ekugcineni ngiyabonga ukuthi mangithi Nkosi yami wenza indlela. Phela sazi lokhu siplanile sicela sivakashele eGoli. You never did.
The platform abazalwane, so we always make time. Sakwenzeka kweGoli but eventually sakwenzeka.
Bozukuze mina wena eGoli. That's not fair.
Askis.
Yeah, right. No mfethu kakhulu siswami. Mhlambe nje ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ivideo yakho yafenyelela kubantu abaningi kakhulu. Mhla usilethele bafakazi bakho obabuthinta impilo zabantu, bashintsha impilo zabantu abaningi. Mhlambe nje nawo kulo qala ukubona ivideo yakho namhlanje. Mhlambe ungamnikeza highlight ukuthi obonayo nibona ba.
Brief highlight.
Yeah. Yes.
Ngoba ngithi khona vele
platform
yakho.
Yeah.
So Dokozo kaMadlala lo eKhakisa Ndwedwe. Ufamkele. Ufamkele istory sami basikhuluma ngokuthi iexperience yami abuse before ngishade ne-abuse emshadweni ekwazi kwagcina sekuthiwa sengithola ukuthi bengeyona nje abuse actually bese ngiyi-sacrifice for wealth. And from there ngangiveza ukuthi sike sikhale but esikhaliso ezinye izimo kanti uNkulunkulu siprepare ezinye. So getting back home I discovered that there was Illuminati that was being introduced. So kwakuyi fight from another fight. Kodwa mase ngibuka manje I'm grateful because le yanto engithi ibhlungu mina engikhalisa yayincane kunale kwakufanele kwenzeke. Kushuthi uNkulunkulu wayengiphusha. Ngithe mangihleli nje ukukhuluma about this platform namhlanje kwafika ukuthi kuyenzeka ngempela ukuthi ipower yakho is born from your pain. When ukhala uzifise ngisho ukufa kanti uzosima ufa kanti kunezinto ohlushela ukuthi uzoyisave wena.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's that. Journey continues. That was that ukuthi after that ila uNkulunkulu osusubona khona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngawo. Yeah.
Mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi into yakho yathinta abantu abaningi ngokwahlukahlukana kwawo. Washare istory sakho, ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abathinteka. Mhlambe nje uma usushare nje usubriefile nje izinto ezasithinta istory sakho kakhulu. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi awuphindanga salenze elinye ithuba lokuthi sizoxoxa mhlambe going onwards ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mhlambe emveni kokushare istory sakho can you help us? What happened? Iziphi izinto mhlambe ezingezenzeka after lapho?
Esikufunda ina journey is that when we share our stories nomuntu ongashare manje story sakhe ngiyamhlomisa ukuthi you must be ready ukuthi you're gonna get negative and positive feedback.
Yeah.
Ebandleni likaKristu baningi abantu abesebelahlela ithemba lokuthi ngathi izinto ababhekene nazo zibenza babone ngathi akekho uNkulunkulu. So after sharing my story baningi abantu abafike bathi lento engibhekene nayo incane. So ngiyamdinga uNkulunkulu wakho. Ngibuyele esontweni ngicela kwa in contact now, I need to pray with you so that we gather strength. So And then again kukhona babuza ukuthi ufika kanjani kuleyo level, which is very difficult because ufunda ngama experiences. Each and every experience noma ngabe incane kanjani noma inkulu kangakanani isuke kushiftela to another dimension.
True.
Yokuthi uNkulunkulu akusebenzise. And then of course ke sisebenzela umbuso okhanya, there'll always be umbuso of the dark, and also exposing umsebenzi of the dark gets you whipped. But ordinary people will not understand that. Not even ordinary people, abantu abasembusweni vele who pretend to be in the light bazokwenza ngathi abakuboni lokho because kushintsha abantu obucabanga ukuthi unabo embusweni kaNkulunkulu abebekhuluma ilanguage efana neyakho, but mase bebona ukuthi uNkulunkulu sekukhuluma uNkulunkulu and umlilo kaNkulunkulu wenza kuphume inyoka. Ngithi siyakhumbula ukuthi bahlanganyela noPaul, but when uPaul ese introducer uJesu ophilayo yilaba decide khona bafuna ukumluma. So but then ngikufundile ukuthi in everything osukungena kuyona uNkulunkulu akakufaka entweni ingenayo iplan. Ngeke ngithi is a God of provision, akakuniki vision engiya provide. So if there is a vision, there's definitely a provision. Ukuthi ke esithiya kumnandi kubuhlungu, but sifunda ukubekezela kuzo zonke inhlupheko. Bengisho ngithi kunamavesi besikade siwafunda singaba understand, but ekukholweni esikhona manje we need to implement them automatically. Asevela avuke manje amavesi ukuthi makuthiwa nothula nina, makuthiwa nonyathela ofeleba ofezela nenyoka niphume ngenamnyucu ngempela ubuke emuva uthi God, how did I make it through that? And makuthiwa uNkulunkulu kuvusela abantu bohambo lakho kuqhamuka abantu akazobacabange who understand exactly what you're going through. Abanye they've been experiencing that bengenawo umuntu abangakhuluma naye. So now and kukhona abanye aba understand ukuthi nami ngadlula la, so lo muntu udinga ukukhulekiswa. So kunemithandazo eminye ungayazi that sustains you. So kuningi and it's an ongoing process. And ngikufundile ngithi mangibuza kwabaphambi kwami ngithi mina kanti siphumula nini, kwathi cha uthi umhlabelo uhamba inhliziyo yami uyesukwini ngoba kukuphumula emhlabeni.
Siswami awusilekelele ngakule waba na this experience whereby umkhwenyana wakho
angisena umkhwenyana lo wayewu phela uNkulunkulu uthi asiyeke into eyindala phela mase kunqamukile sekuyi past tense owayewu. So mawuthi no wami usamnamathelisa kimi. And it's spiritually there is a
owayengu umkhwenyana wakho ayefuna ukuthwala ngawe for i-wealth. Yes. Ngiyazi ukuthi eminye imibuzo ngayithinta laphana ngikubuza mhlawumbe ukuthi what was so special ukuthi kube wena. I think izalisa lokho ngoba wawunkosikazi wakhe ne. So ngiyazi ukuthi emveni kokushare story waba nama attacks even after that zonke lezi zinto lezi mhlawumbe mapha lama attacks owahlangabezana nawo after ukushare story sakho. Maybe amanye might be spiritual. Yes.
Okunye bengakwazi ke but esithima buza ukuthi yini umuntu asuke ethwale ngawo, like learning nokuxoxa nabantu. I think ngixoxa nomunye umuntu and uyalubona mangabe unesiphiwo noma ugcutshiwe usungayibona uyibona. Uthatha isikhathi ukuthi uyibone kanti le gang, the underground gang are very sharp. Bayibona ingane yakhe sasesiswini, bayibona uyizele ukuthi le ngane lezoba i-problem. Yikho abantu abaningi belinyazwa besavela. So someone told me ukuthi angazi ukuthi what battle engangenqobile. What now you understand ukuthi why you were a sacrifice, because if you go today uyojoin into ye-wealth when ungayidecide ukuthi hayi ngizogcina unkosikazi wami nezingane zami engangenile la, but le yanto decides for itself. First of all iyamfuna umuntu othandwa inhliziyo yakho because nayo isibe strategy sakaNkulunkulu ukuthi ngifuna umnikelo njani okhuluphele. So the sad part ukuthi I think nosukenza lonto sengasho ngizoba unkosikazi mase ifika le nto ngifuna lo, and mase usign i-contract you live by the rules. So ama-attacks maningi kakhulu maningi kakhulu ama-attacks ngoba kusuka abantu abangazwani bazwane. Kodwa mangabe uhamba noNkulunkulu you understand ukuthi abazwani vele ababhali nabafarisi abadayisa uJesu abazwanela ukuthi kufe lento ethikameza umbuso obumnyama. And they do all they can kuma social media platforms. I mean impilo yami nje mina I'm immune to inhlamba. Noma ungangithukuthi nje namhlanje anginenda abanentamba noma ngithiwa kubhalweni manje bathi ekhaya ubonile and nasekhaya sebefundile uma uyibona something nje mangitshela umuntu wangaphandle ukhathazekile ukuthi how am I doing. because njengoba ngithi uNkulunkulu ukuvusela abantu, I have learned ukuthi akakwazi ukuJesu ukuhlupheka before avuswe ebese ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngizodla ngefork and knife ekukholweni. So I've learned ukuthi chosen people impilo yabo vele iba rough, and I've learned ukuthi amadimoni awanazi impondo, awangcolile, imimoya ekubantu ohlala nabo, futhi engikufundile they work with intelligent people. So that into abayipresent umuntu ohlakaniphile, omunye umuntu uzobona umuntu ongaphiwanga umoya engcwele uzobona ukuthi ayimpelo ST nama podcast awenzayo waya somewhere kwenza kanje, because njoba sikhona sonke, not ukuthi sonke siphiwe amandla ukuthi silalele umoya engcwele. Abanye abantu bawuza umoya engcwele bawuziba, because sihalela ukwazi izinto zethu. And what I've learned ngabantu abapossessed noma nemoya, they love drama and attention. So the minute you give them attention, it means that you are contributing ukukhuluphalisa lento. So I've learned ukuthi you starve your distraction and feed your focus. If you stay on the word and if you preach, ngisukume ngiyopreacher, one example nje, kwakhona umngani wami, actually a friend obefuna ukusinda ngoNkulunkulu, I guess ubeyibona imihla yakhe emncane. She was not even a friend, umuntu ongasekhaya, so kwakufanele ngimngcwabeni kwakhe. And ngaleso sikhathi uNkulunkulu wangifihlela something. There was already a post there in Tuka on Facebook accusing me of Tagat.
Okay.
And I understand that because abantu bokumnyama, they do izinto einzima and they pay. So it does not make sense ukuthi ngempela ubhuti abantu esiyenga sigegama lika Jesu. Kuwe yonke lento engihlanganise ngo10,000 le ngihambele ngikhokhela u5,000 kumchulu thizeni. Mina noma ingangithinti mina mangilele isimayifike kunenkazimulo kaNkulunkulu ihlehle ibuyele emuva. So into engihlekisa that time bayebonile abantu ngangazi kangu MC emshadweni nalosisi, and ngangilokhu ngikukhulekela, and uNkulunkulu wasebenza ukuthi message yakhe idlule. And land ngesikhathi mina ngishumayela la ngibhizi ngikhuluma labantu bonke abantu etendeni bayayazi lento yokuthi wena kahle kahle uyadinja. But uNkulunkulu wayifihla lento kumina ukuze i-message that was supposed to be conveyed that day ipheleliswe. So uthi umuntu ethuka mina ngibe ngibuka uGod in awe ukuthi God, you are really amazing. You know izinto efanele siyibone, uyazazi into engafanele siyibone. So ukuningi ST lento isife ngisho emndenini. I've learned bengilonga ngikufunda makuthiwa isizungu somfazi kuphuma iGibhithe noIsrael. Now we know ukuthi ukuthola ukuthi kodwa ngamenzani ST kodwa nkosamo, and then you understand ukuthi if you represent the kingdom of the light, it means ukuthi uyayiciphisa ikingdom of umnyama. And unfortunately mazalwa ekhaya angithi usekuhlangene izibongo eziningi lento ekuthiwa ufuzo, kukhona bayangakama khona bayangakababa. So it's unfortunate ukuthi isikhathi esiphila kusona sesiphila ku generation la kwehla khona ama cases iqalekiso ama generations and generations. And if you do not soak yourself in the word, if you do not soak yourself emthandazweni, if you don't soak yourself ku worship, and okungiphatha kabi lento ukuthola ukuthi unasiphe wena but ST sokwenza yonke into, but ama talent sibe nawo ekholweni aphinde aba into esivulela intuba yokuthi sitshontshe kumnyama. Ngoba mawubuka emasontweni ethu sinawo abantu abantshontsha kakhulu ama worshiper. Abantu abama worshiper, the intercessors bathathwe kakhulu because ngiye ngangokuma ukuthi mina intokozo sengiyazi ngangayithandazela lento ngime etalenteni ngangakwazi ukuhlukanisa noma sengidumisela omunye umbuso, kodwa kuyenzeka sibe nabantu abamla ku-altar baphethe ama-microphone kodwa mebedumisa akunyakaza into zaphezulu unyakaza into zaphansi, kodwa abantu abahleli phansi abakwazi ukubona lokho. So it's a journey, it's a journey that needs God every second, every minute, every hour, every day. So yikho noma ngabe uthukiwe noma ngabe wenzeni awuyeki ukusebenza. Because ofike ukuthola uyazi ukuhambe wena uyitshela ukuthi you are broken, you cannot stand, vele ukufika abantu abawu5 basikwazi wasisiza sikaze sikuzwe lokho esontweni sikaze sizwe lento. So it means asikakakholwa, and then you think ukuthi kube kuthi ufide your distraction ngabe ukuphike manje, because that's the intention khona leli ivese bengilokhu ukukhuluma ngalazi ukukhuluma ngoTopia noSanballat uthi uNehemia wabona ukuthi sekukhona igap wakhe eJerusalem waqhubeka akha. So ngesikhathi eseqede sekubonakala ukuthi lento ayenzayo ikhona, yaqala lemoya yathuka yathi akehle. So that's the strategy. So ukuthi mawusu uhamba ngempela noNkulunkulu kuzofika ama-attacks aqhamuka kubantu kodwa i-intention yokuthi yeka lento yenzayo unake thina and the minute unaka laba bantu how many souls owakhulekelayo abantu bakini obuye wathi abavuswe from amanzi amnyama from ibopho zomndeni and now usuyabonakala lo muzi owasuvele ngeroof seziyabonakala izingane bayabonakala abazukulu and then uyabuza umbuzo ukuthi ubamba nje lofikile let's find strategies and funny enough ama-strategies akusiwona abuhlungu ngakuyona inhlamba akhona namahla akhona nayimali I've had many job offers la engesikhona ukuthi umsebenzi ukuthi umukela le mali le and then siyaqeda umzukulu wakho siyaqeda ngezingane zakho siyaqeda ngefamily yakho awusiyabaleka nabantu abangaka okay siyahluleka thina simthukayo ake silethe laba friendly uma usondela ayi le mali inemgomo nemibandela le mali uyinikwa abantu abangambiza uNkulunkulu maybe bethana zabathi we pray to the sun we pray to the moon to the universe thank you earth for giving us food ubani odala umhlaba so and into yabo is too good to be true uhleli nangu iwallet yahla awuhamba wenza ukuthi and uyamona usathana usibambe ngemali ngoba ama struggles umuntu okholwa usually around imali ukuthi ngiza kanjani ku-ST eThekwini uma ngabe ungitshela usuze ngebhasi la abantu abagloya ambuso abahamba ngebhasi abayazi ibhasi emalini futhi abahambi ngobani fly safe bahamba
top class
yes and it can be business class so bas class ngalokho inkulu nje inhlamba na kuthini ukuthi ushumayelane elambile ushumayelane engasebenzi but uNkulunkulu always make a way ufikile nje nawe ngila angisebenza no for the past 8 years for 8 months akho income but uNkulunkulu methi I will make enough provision for the day ngizokunika lokho kufanele usuku manje mina ngifuna ukuthi hayi for the next 10 years ngizokwenzani why once ngazi ngenzani for the next 10 konke ngizoyikhonzela uNkulunkulu and I've realized ukuthi sikhule emhlabeni yabantu abajoyine lezi zinto badayisa ngamagugu abo kodwa banakho ukuthula so they'll make sure ukuthi baphazamisa ukuthula kwakho they're going to make sure ukuthi they do all it takes ukuze ukuthula kwakho kuphele because understand sithi udine kwenza unomuzo omuhle unemoto enhle udla kahle but ukhathaza ngokuthi ST udleni why ST angasebenzi uthuka umuntu ngendlala yakhe wena usuthi
awuswele lutho
so it gives you a clue yokuthi lezi zinto esizikhalelayo ayihlali kahle kubona abayitholile uNkulunkulu zinemgomo yobumnyama so they'll do anything.
Siswama, make us understand, you know, ngiyaz ukuthi these spiritual things since when you have encountered a lot of it, so since uwe wabakuleso simo esikanjalo maybe ke mhlambe ezweni lika moya and stuff like that njoba washare this testimony ngifuna ukuthola nje imanje lakho ukuthi unjani manje.
Nginjani manje?
Yeah, manje nje. Yes.
I'm stronger in Christ. I am stronger in Christ and I know manje esithi ukuthi ayikho into engangishukumisa ngangenza ngicompromise uNkulunkulu. Because looking back kunala engingazi khona ukuthi ngishule kanjani. Why yabo indaba kaNkulunkulu imnandi because kube khona inhlupheko ezweni ukuthi uhlushwa umyeni, uhlushwa ingane uzuzaqa.
True.
But uNkulunkulu mawuhlushwa abantu awuzaqa. Mawulambile uNkulunkulu awuzaqa. uNkulunkulu uyakukhazimulisa kuze wekhona abashayisa odlala ngathi no.
Madoda.
Lo udlala ngathi. So ziyafika ikhathi angithi umuntu yokuthi ubuze ukuthi kodwa God why me? Then uphinde ukuthi then who? Because ubuka into enzakini ebese ngabe zenzekile manje because masihleli esikhona imizi esiyibukayo. Angithi uNkulunkulu siyakuvezela ezinye izinto. Ubothi le nkinga ebila ekhaya ilapha ya. Shuthi kube kuthiwa sibehave njengalaba bantu ngabe nasekhaya kuvalwe njengalapha. Ngoba ubuka abantu abakuthukayo emizini yakubo bahlala ngokuhlukana. Yes, noma sisahlukana because of Egypt and Israel but isikhona leya unity. Yokuthi mntaka ma ufike ekhaya nje uhlale kube mnandi ngenifane nonke. Kodwa even abantwana and some of the sisters they see uNkulunkulu now they know how to nurture abantwana babo especially the spiritual growth yabantwana uphawu because angicabangi ukuthi ngesikhathi ngiphula mhlawumbe uma wayazi angicabangi ukuthi ngangibona mina but esithi ukuthi ikhona into engakhule kwengane na 9 years but manje sengiyezwa ngisho icula ngisho ihlabelela ngisho share mina bengeke ngiyinqoba ukuthi bengekho umntwana la ekhaya so like emotionally you up and down because umuntu you need to provide for your kids but all I'm also seeing what I am seeing my kids growing closer to God through my encounter so kunalento ukuthi what I'm going through manje umntana mangeke yabo masuhambela ukuthi ingane zami nezingane kama wami evuma ukukhetha uNkulunkulu lama sufferings yabo makuthiwa breaker generational cases kumlanda abanye abantu sama case breaker if a case breaker be ready to be hated be ready ukugxekwa ubukhuluma iqiniso kodwa that does not make you to compromise God be ready ukujikela nabantu obakhulekela every day it does not say mina ukuthi uzothi masuyokhuleka ukuthi hayi lo khulume ngami and lokho ngikufunde kabuhlungu and nginabantu abangimentorishayo ukuthi no izibe le ayisizophazamisa le and the day ngafunda ngayo ukuthi khona into engayiphendula khona ama voice notes engaphendula khona into engayisho ukuthi ubani uthe
just keep quiet
futhi mawuyazi ukuthi especially mawuyazi ukuthi yamanga ukuthi how can somebody create such what's the aim angithi usuke efuna lokho kusathana ukuthi uzama ukunitha lento enkulu nethu but ukudabuke mawuhlangana nomuntu umbuka because abantu abakuthuka mawuhlangana abakhulumi nawe umuntu engakuthuka lapha akuthuka bhale and abantu abangithukayo mina kusibona abantu abahlala eCape Town in the same village abantu engigibela nayitekisi mhlangana nabo but eTaxi ngeke umuze sho lutho
people who knows you better than anyone
better than anyone angithi umfundisi wangitshela ngelanga ukuthi kubhlungu ukubizwa ngakini mawubizwa ukuphendula abantu bangakini njengoHezekiah athi uNkulunkulu hamba za Hezekiah ushumela Israel they know the language bayalazi nezwi lami kodwa izinhliziyo zabo zilikhuni but when your task is to preach uhambe mawushumayelile uyobususile ukufa phezulu kwakho nentukuthelo kaNkulunkulu mabe ngakuzwanga indaba yabo so when you preach so that's what I understood ukuthi into engibizwele yona manje to share the good news ulula nje kumuntu okholwayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyamphendula ST uyamphendula ubhuti uyamphendula ubani and athi angizange ngizoletha ukuthula yoba khona ukuhlukana phakathi kamama nendodana phakathi kabhuti nosisi ngangihlala ngithi uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe unenhliziyo enzima mangabethi osathanda umame noyise nendlu yakhe akakangimukeli mina but now I see because ungangena esihogweni ulibe lokunaka into yasekhaya bawuthi mawuthi uNkulunkulu ifufula bephendula bawuphenduka ngesikhathi sabo but lead the way mina sengifuna wena mina ngedwa
yes
I want the whole of you then uNkulunkulu uyakwenza lokho
please do make us understand even for my people ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu lento ye noma ngizothi cult or these spiritual powers lama mnyama and stuff abanye abantu into nje abayithatha nje kancane ukuthi hayi nje into engekho mhlawumbe ungathini kumuntu ongamela umenze ayazi ukuthi this thing is really and there is real God as well
then ndiyadabukisa ST because ngikhuluma ngami mina nje ngangeke ngisho ngithi hey akekho umuntu ongaphuma emzimbeni andize ebusuku ayikho indaba esathana ayikho umuntu ongachithi I think there was ingozi yayinkulu la ePine Town kudala so abantu bethi no kukhona umuntu oginqile khona umuntu okwazi ukundiza kini it does not make sense and uNkulunkulu wathi I'm going to make you taste it I'm going to make you live through it and ave kubhlungu to pray against angithi la manje Israel ogibhithe angikwazi compromise uNkulunkulu mina ngoba untandokazi wami ukhethe bani usathanda uyacabanga ukuthanda against your child uthi uNkulunkulu uzogcina intando yakho la even if efa unana but efela kuwe ongcono kunokuthi aqhubeke nalento sukukhulekela lokho ngoba uyazi abanye bafike kule stage sokuthi uma sekuphatha ukufa nokuphila uma beyiyeka abanye abayiyeke ngoba bathi vele ngizofa kodwa kungcono ukufa usunjani usumukela uJesu kunokufa uqhubeke usafarisha so to answer your question ngani mangine best answer okubhlungu kakhulu ke ukuthi i-cult isihluke kakhulu nami khona ngingakwazi ihluke kakhulu and ihluka kakhulu nje iza ngezinto ezinhle esiyibona zizinhle. Lokhu kokuthwala kusha but ST masikhumbula kahle abantu bethwala babe nemfuyo babe namasimu. Khumbula lo muzi kodwa leyo mizi yayinjalo manje mawubuyela kuyona. Sekuyakhonja ukuthi ubaba la ekhaya wayinamasi wayinani.
Wathi hamba nakho konke.
Imoto zilala inkukhu and you look at abantwana bakhe manje. Bayaphuza, bayaboshwa, bayasebenza kodwa impilo abanye bavele bayihlalela nje, abanye bashona. So into engingayisho manje but ST ukuthi ayikho into edlula ukuthandaza because khona umuntu ozilento mina ye-cult angiyikhola experience engibe nawo manje. Athi umuntu lento ye-cult angiyikhola afika ngitshela ngebehavior yengane. Ingane ihlaza ngithi ayihlaza lengane. Akusesiyona ingane le. Angithi if you communicate ezinye izinto ubuka ne-level yomuntu. Awukwazi ukuvela ukuthi ingane yomuntu is possessed. You know abazali benze njani. They jump ukuthi ubani what. But I've had quite a few experiences abantu bekhala khona ngengane bekhala ngeyingane and uthola usendo maqhubeka umuntu angithi akezwa woza kuthandazwa ayikhona la engisazama khona. Yabo khona la engisazama khona. Kanti lento yokuzama yimbi ngokuthi kwesinye isikhathi usuku usuvula iwind lokuthi umoya yande. Kuyala kube buhlungu masikhuluma ngomngoma. If you look ukuthi ingane ithwasa manje uthola umuntu muhle unabantu abadala uthi mawuthi uyalandela lo muntu akasaphila isikhathi eside car accident uwile waphathwa ikhanda kwaphela ngaye because lezi zinto seyikwazi ukumenza njani uhafu wakho ungene waba ngale. So so it's a deep spiritual thing and mawusunjalo kube ngathi ushaya into zabantu abantu bathikholwa phela ungayishaya into zethu nami ngeke ngacasuka futhi ST kufika bezoshaya into zakaMadlala phela into zakaMadlala zengifake phi into zakaMadlala they made me vulnerable because noma ngabe umuntu wenzeni mina but today I've learned ukuthi ama altars engaintroduce kubona ezumntwana rituals ayenziwa ngishilo ngathi mina every year bekufika inyanga izosiqinisa every year eyakithi lo nyaka and uJesu uqiniswa every year and yakhokhelwa lenyanga kodwa ngeke ngithi uNkulunkulu usho wangithanda because the other year izoqinisa yathi mina ngine satanism ngoba ngibeke izithombe zabaculi eduze kwami ngeke izingithinte so I guess nayo yayibona into engangakayiboni kimi namhlanje sinabantwana abahamba njalo Friday noma nini uyasebenza lo mntwana la ekhaya uyakondla ST kodwa siyazi ukuthi Friday to Sunday usotshwaleni uyaphuza we've normalized utshwala and kunalento ehamba through amanzi utshwala bamanzi angithi ukuda the Marine Kingdom especially KZN isixakile siyabona ama flats kunamadimoni ahamba ngamanzi asebona ukuthi engathi khanjwa kancane mawulokhu recruiter bavele eza zothi so mawukhuluma nomzali nginganiyenza lokho umzali akutshela ukuthi kodwa uyondla nje ekhaya baningi asebebuyile kimi bazongitshela ukuthi kodwa lengane lobukhuluma ngayo khona omunye wayesho ukuthi lengane lobukhuluma ngayo isikhulumile athi khalela igazi lenye ingane abo ingane basekhalela igazi sokaqala ukineshate lo muntu kudala ikhona imisebenzi akade yenza kudala useku graduation phase kuningi but ST kuningi ingcebo legijimayo sibona abantu bekhala namhlanje kuthi umuntu ubulaye ko Uber abanye abantu abaningi lezo bayithole from which kingdom umuntu oseno Uber ba 7 from which kingdom of the dark like thina asikhulumi iwealth mama uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ukuthi obekezele inhluphekweni mina Jehova ngiyomnikeza ukuphila kodwa every day mina nawe sizoguqa uNkulunkulu sicela imali uNkulunkulu sicela umuzo omkhulu ngoba sifuna ukufunwa inhliziyo yethu but masibuka about all the prophets and the apostles abaningi uJohn uhlala ehlane kwazo kwaba uyafa kukhona abayibamba behlala emzini yabantu so sishawa ukuthi siyamfuna uNkulunkulu kodwa futhi nezo siyalifuna and ngokwenza lokho sivulela imoya ukuthi ingene emzini yethu sineyingane sithi mangabe zenze something sithi umthetho wakhe lona akakhuluma ekseni kufike mina kangazi lo mntwana ngiyambingela sawubona sisi akakhuluma ayongamnaka umthetho wakhe we normalize imoya ukuthi iphile kubantwana
so let's understand lo better wakhe
exactly sineyingane sinamafoni namhlanje into yenze kuma phoneini manje kuthiwa nje you wanna work from home and with 3,000 rand per hour give us your ID zingene ingane kwenzakalani lapho singelingane sekuthiwa wozongena once udayisa umzimba yayisa ngomzimba or kufanele asihlanganise iy'ngane zamantombazana azokwazi ukuyiletha for ukuthi zithunjwe abduction every day sifelwa abantu kumanje kune-trend ethi I did not kill him mina ngenza ukuthi and leyo nto kube kuthiwa besingayiyeka sabantu besifazane bengangcono because vele sifaka ini upetrol esilondeni because lonke into eyenzile ukuthi abasilisa babulala abantu besifazane i-strategy sakasathane kuthi sibe izizwe ezimbili sizondane because umndeni wakhiwa ngendoda nomfazi so if abafazi namadoda bengazwani uphi umndeni uzokwakhiwa uNkulunkulu amiphi umndeni
and yabona manje si-trend I did not kill him
yes abantu sebeshare iy'tori ezingaka so lento yokuthi noma nginganjani noma kwenzekeni but uNkulunkulu umshado is a covenant from God noma si-attack emshadweni it is because mhlawumbe asiyilalelanga into kaNkulunkulu nathi.
I think it goes back to yabo nje le story lomfo wabulala i-girlfriend yakhe ne-story lesitrend nje bathi ubani Lawrence yes lo wabulala girlfriend yakhe just because he invested kuyona kakhulu so agcine seyibulala literally. So I think it goes back to lento yoma satanist and stuff. Ungathola ukuthi it was not himself.
And why kade aqalesho?
You see?
And kukhona osima ukhuluma namanje ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi athi nami ngizombulala umuntu with conviction ube emehlweni nami nje maye kwanjena ngizokubulala. And then you think ukuthi siphila kuphi and abanye abantu bajwayele like I wouldn't think ukuthi ST will do that but uthi mase sixoxa umbono ST ukuthi uyisho futhi lento omunye uthola ukuthi useyenzile usebulele so si generation ezalokhu i-curse kwi-curse enkulu curse of the blood uthi last year umfundisi ucela sithandaze because umkhathi uphansi and usunikana njengosweet ngisho ezikoleni uzoyisa ingane kuthisha uthi isafe kanti uthisha usetholile lokhuzana usene instruction yokuthi ngifuna ingane ezingaka ngifuna lezi ezihlakaniphile sithola ingane ezigwazana kanje ezikoleni ngoba bonke bafuna izikhundla ufuna uprincipal osatshwayo so I'm going to do anything that I can imoya ufika na kwenzakalana
yebo
ezibhedlela sinabantu abawonesi kodwa basibona onesi banema deals ukuthi sizokunika this body parts nodokotela abaqhamuka from yonke lento every profession kunomuntu o represent umbuso wokukhanya nombuso omnyama yikho mazo esibhedlela fanele uthandazela lezo kuthinta
gcwele lapha esibhedlela
gcwele mfethu ugcwele yabo
noma basekhweza ngezingane amagazi
ugcwele labo mawo blood donor kugcwele yabo isikhathi esiphila kusona abantu esihlala nabo every day ukuthi ngeke usasho ukuthi hayi phela abantu esihlala bethu sibabona zonke izinsuku usukubona usikonakele lapha uzoyikhuluma uthini ngoba uthi ukhuluma noma athi mina athi mama hayi lo wami and mase kwenzeka i-trouble woza sefana uthandaza umthandazo ongenza uJesu a miracle prayer but zikhona izinkomba zokuthi let's intercede kuba lezi befuna ukukhulekela privately ziyalwa privately uyikhulekela privately but because nathi sabazali siyaleka ezweni and ingane zethu ziba ama competition ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ingane yami idlula nazo zithola pressure ingane igcina siyenza izinto. I was looking around ngibuka ingane ezishona manje ama 2000 amanye kuthi umuntu ushone neJaguar like I'm thinking uNkulunkulu ngiphilaphi ngiba ngisahamba ngequantum ushone nathi maJaguar u3 sekuyaphuza ushone ne double story and no parent question that phumeka matric wasebenza washayela uber 2 years noma a year use right
sinamajwaku
use right and uvunyiwe abanye baze bapost athi nje kumanje ngikwazi ukungena ka Gucci mina twice or 3 times a year and not Gucci lo proper Gucci
hayi lo wasestrategi
aposte yonke into iphilayo and impilo easy uyafuna ukuthi khona umntwana ade ngixoxela ukuthi khona umngane befunda naye wamtshela impela ngisakubona wathi woza la uzozama impilo but fanele wazi ukuthi ukhetha phakathi kwempilo yegazi nokufa and a couple of months esho lokho washo lo mfana uthi sengikhathele lempilo mncane 1920 sengikhathele lempilo I'd rather die. Sibona ingaze zidutshulwa day in day out kunama groups kuna lonke uhlobo lama groups ami ukuthi ngijoine le group ujabule wena kunabantu abazokulwela nje komzali kanti awazi ukuthi ngelanga bazofuna igazi lakho. ma-flag amazwe amaningi amathi umuntu ngirepresenta i-flag awukwazi ukuthi uwumKristu ungakhulekeli u-Israel wena uthi free Palestine it's so deep it's so deep and asikhuluma ngazo sizosijahwa shawe masilele siyadutshula and izinto ziyanormalize. Yes, I was telling my sister or something because I speak about my brother owami ngamkhulekisa owakethi testimony yami khona into sisuke singazathi singayiboni and kunabantu abahamba nawe but ST beje basahamba nawe kanti uNkulunkulu sekusizile because kwi video eyikhuluma about ukushona kwakhe there was a sign, the opening cover page, it had a helmet, it had a band, and it had boots, amad, to arrest soldier. And kune video yakhe bidlala nje kakhulu edlala emsebenzini so kudlala indaba zokuciba yabo ukuciba bese umdlalisayo wena ngathi social kafaro yayibona leyo nto wena ulona social kaNkulunkulu uyi-social kafaro wena and these things are said in jokes ku social media thina siyahleka kusa-download so uma ngabe sezoshona sengitshela ukuthi ngimkhumule amabhuzi ngimkhumule ibhandi ngimkhumule isiqoko siyavela nokuthi labantu basayibekile lento kwi-obituary yakhe because he was one of them but uthe mesehamba wathi wena ngisusa lezi zinto mina because le ngiyakhona ayifuneki and ngitshela ukuthi wena uzongikhumula lezi zinto and angithi ushare istory sakho abantu basiphendule bakubuthi oh kambe wake uthi wakaba nama-fits kodwa kwanje ephilimi she's psychologically disturbed because awukwazi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu bangasho uyahlanya and abantu benza izinto day in day out kodwa bafuna ukuyi-challenge ukuthi i-challenge abantu babulala imbuzi emasangweni kubukwa kwenzeka izinto ongazazi uyabona akukuthula kulo muzi but abantu basayi-protectile into zabo mina first ngiyalazi igazi lembuzi lisenzeni if I can put it in a language engesikhona ukukhola ngathi lisirabishile igazi lembuzi ngiyalazi lisenzeni mina ekhaya and njoba siphuma kulo manje as umndeni ngisho umndeni mina fana ngabe kune meeting yomndeni ethi ngintshontshe idalo ngintshontshe isidalo sihlala selokhu waqala ukuthandaza wena thina sayithola idalo emisamo isihlala lapha isidalo usithatha usibe phezulu coffee table and lento sengiyayifunda ke ukuthi uma uthandaza uNkulunkulu sekuphendula be ready to lose your favorite people because kunabantu abahlala ngathi bahlela uNkulunkulu and bahlela emasontweni anemgomo and mawusubo kade baqala bekushumayeza uNkulunkulu wabo wena usu kahle kahle uphazamisa izinto zabo so kune chaos oyibuka ubone abantu ongacabangi bake bahlangane kodwa bahlangane ngawo umuntu okwaziwayo ukuthi akazalalele kodwa bese khuluma into against wena kuhlangane so I'm still waiting again to answer.
I want to ask you this question. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuleya nje sasithinda ile on ukuthi umkhwenyana wakho wayefuna
ubani
lokho ngilokho
Thunyoba
Cela ukulungisa le mic le yakho ngoba ngifuna ukuthi abantu bayizwe kahle le question.
All right.
Yeah. Kodwa ngiyaxolisa lokhu ngikushadisa naye phela.
Mhlawumbe ngiyaprofeta nje.
Baningi abaprofeti khona nabamanga.
Okay, owayemkhana wakho njengoba ufuna ukuthwala ngawo. How possible is this thing ukuthi umuntu athwale ngawo wena ungazi?
Phela isinqumo somuntu esomuntu. Lezi zinto asikhuluma nangaye Illuminati. Possible because now usuke yothwala noma ejoyina ikhali suke ngazi ukuthi kusube kuzoba umntwana wakhe. Mhlawumbe ukubona ukuthi this day sike sithi masiba ku social media kushona ingane no 4-5 years. Ingane incane uthwila le angavuka. Ukhala uthi ukhala yena kakhulu lo muntu bese kuthi hayibo makuthiwa khona into yethu kanti kwakusho lokho. And abanye abantu babeya lapha yana baya with a greed. The more you pay, the heavier the sacrifice. So possible ngolwazi oluncane ngoba ngifuna ukuthi mawe lapha ya mawe ebhenki yoboleka imali ufike noma sisathatha ngama-account kudala ufike uthathe usofa uthi uma ubona hayibo ngilongikhokha lento ayisapheli ukhombise the fine print ephansi ukuthi kune-interest what do you call it, insurance kwanjanje ne-delivery yonke ongazazi sekuqedile lo 15,000 usuphenduka u-100,000 and utholuthi una-areas ulokhu ukhokhile osofa basekho but ngixakekile ST and igama belisebenzisayo unfortunately so ubuhlungu mabe sesikhuluma ngo-ST wayakothwala but umuntu umekuthatha kasho ukuthi uyothwala uthi uyozama into yenhlanhla uzama into yenhlanhla ngoba ST impilo yakhe ifadabela ngithi hamba ngithi nakho umsebenzi awuqhamuki khambe ngothola into yenhlanhla and bekuthola nini into yenhlanhla labantu bakunika into encane kabi uthamba uyibeke lento uyikhulumise yikho omunye umuntu ayithi makuthi sifuna ukukhola ke sikhola nabantu abasebenzisa imithi ngendlela abayikhola ngento abayikhulumisa ke simkhulumisa uNkulunkulu njengoba bayenza into engekho iphile so into ekuhlupha kwalento abanye bake babone bekhuluma nako okunye ngikuzwa kubantu abasuke bekhuluma because I was once so curious ububi balento ke the more you go in it the more complicated it becomes ngoba abanye bebekhuluma ukuthi nje uthwale ngenkukhu watshela ukuthi hayi la ngizolesa ama-braai pack nje kuphela sekusuka kwafuna inkukhu ephilayo sekusuka kwathiwa sekufuneka imbuzi sekusuka kwakufuneka inkomo kwathiwa sicela umuntu khona wayexoxa ukuthi bekufuneka umuntu amlanda umuntu ngaqunga isibindi ngambulala lo muntu sekusuka sesicela igazi lakho so sokungazi amanye ama-terms and conditions are hidden from you and uma usungenile kuthiwa labantu ba-unfriendly bathi wena wathi ufuna inhlanhla omunye wayikhuluma ukuthi mina ngabuya nenoni encane nje ngayibeka ekamereni sema ngiqambe ngithola imali ngithola imoto sengibuyela sekuyinyoka kwathi uyena mngani wakho ke lo uma ungayifuna imali buyisa into yethu kodwa futhi uma ubuyisa into yethu there's got to be consequences empilweni yakho
ngenile
thathile
umfowenu ngiyakhumbula ukuthi okwashirana nangomfowenu olowajoyina Illuminati and angithiwasho ukuthi so akasekho ne
angikuzwa
ngiziwa wamention ukuthi futhi naye akasekho
no washona
yes yena wayejoyina kanjani yena
I wouldn't know but now looking ey'ntweni noku-understanda nokuba nabantu abafundisa about the Marine Kingdom ukwabasebenza eSharks Board so ngokubuka kwami I think he was introduced kulo zinto esebenza ku-Natal Sharks Board ngoba wayesebenza kahle good benefits but wayenjalo mesebenzile angabuyela emsebenzini uyoyiphuza yonke leyo mali yonke iziphele and kwakugcwala bonke then go back to work so I guess umsebenzi bagcina sebenza ama-warnings ngokulova njalo ke but when she said okay fine ngoba ngiyangixosha ngilovile angikwazi uma ngama-telegram ayifika emncenga ngaleso sikhathi sasibuka umuntu uthina onjani osanganayo ukuthi why would he run away from umsebenzi omuhle kanje naye uloyiwe but I guess that when he was introduced kulento wancamela ukuvela abaleke yena and one thing esuke singayazi kufana nabantu akade behlangene nabantu abathwele awukwazi ukubaleka ngenyawo zakho ST ungadisconnectanga ngoba ubaleka usuhamba nodobo umuntu ohlangana nawe uyalibona uphawu ukuthi wakwaxhophoza lapha so ke utheme ekhula kwahlangana babona ukuthi hayibonathi impahla and naye ungena nje ku-right uyabuyela phela ngathi kuuthando inaye okay ngena la uzothola good life
the good benefits
when you get those forms ngiyayibuka phela bhala nje ubhala lento bhala nje salary yakho seba sengiyibuka namaso sikhathi hayibo uyaguarantee ukuthi you're gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi omuhle uzohamba ama-hotels amakhulu around the world ngonyaka kuya ngokukhula kwey'gaba-ke you're gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi kuma-international airports ongapheli kuningi and you submit your full names you must be the person okwazi ukugcina imfihlo ilokho kuphela-ke uma usungenile kangikwazi uma usungenile those are uma usungenile it gets harder-ke then you submit amagama abantu bakini mawusulapho you submit amagama one thing ngizonginika this example kade futhi ngithanda kuyibuza manje leyo nto kumfundisi ngoba mina nguluthanda ulwandle But there was this saga la ayisengene khona singakazi kukhulekwe ekhaya kukhuleka nje kukhuleka every day, and then umfundisi instructed us to go pray by the sea. And ngaleso sikhathi wayengafuni ukuya yena akashintshile, and umfundisi is patient. As patient, I guess, in wisdom from God unayo. And ukukhuleka kwethu we're standing in a circle.
Yeah.
Yabo ufike athi umfundisi no wena umdala la.
Yeah.
You are the only man. Uzonginika abantu ngibakhulekise ngibabuyisele kwena ngaphandle. So it's something like a circle. So now I'm understanding ukuthi lento yayenziwe lapha isifungo sasenziwe underwater where our names were. So through prayer sasisiyolandwa lapha. Because after that ngangazi wayengithuka ngawo ukuthi wena nomfundisi wakho nenza ukuthi, because when you go back there you are told ukuthi umuntu who cracked lento ubani owenze lento. And kanti sixoxa sonke lonto ekhaya ukuthi kunezinto ojongazazi, because not every person okholwa uJesu noma umfundisi uphiwe ubuhlakani bokudila with. Abanye they are gobbled by the kingdom of the dark, because uzofika umuntu lapho uthi esithinga impela nikhulekile ukuthi ngithole imaterial esonto azozonginika ama drums. Umukele ikufanele you have to discern. Khona ukube kuthiwa ST ST kuya ngama offers esinawo ngaba sikweleti umuntu.
Yeah.
Ma offers akhona ngaba sikweleti umuntu.
And your bride's been in a Illuminati for how long?
I don't know.
Or because you have no idea what's
I don't know. I only realize the behavior yakhe mesezothi noma washone lokho khona lo Jesu mina ngiphila noNkulunkulu abawosibanibani osibaba labajito okhuluma lawo lokho uphi lo nkulunkulu wakhe yabo sasho lokho esastubborn sekule. But on the final day, like 2 days before shona washo ukuthi ngimbonile uNkulunkulu wakho sisungamnyeki and ngiyamdinga manje because I'm not going there.
Sure.
I am not going there. I am signing off. I am signing off. Sure. And uNkulunkulu into engimthanda ngayo if ekunika into ekhaya engabazekayo uyayifakaza ngomunye umntwana. Kukhona umntwana kasisi wami, I think kwakunanto kufanele aba recruit and stuff, angazi na ifika abaphusise yona. Owakwenzeka washaya onke amawindi, onke amalumani windows endlu yasekhaya. Sake sahlala thina for 3 months indlu ifakwa amabhodi. Sihlekwa nje. So lento okuhlekwa isiqali manje umoya kenze njalo. Mayivuka ekseni lo muntu akazi lutho. Phuze lento nje ngicina umalume ngiphuzisa lokho omhlophe. Washaya amawindi but usiyekile, then she went to the hospital washona komalume. Then one day he came to me after umngcwabo. Wangitshela ma bangibiza ngogogo ke. I guess umuntu omdala ekhaya egogo ngicela ngikhulume nawe because ngathi wena uzongizwa. Athi uyazi ukuthi mina ngimngcwaba ngumalume. Ngithi mina how, why? Because I was angry. Why are you angry? Ukuthi how can he take a decision yokusinikela kuyena esimthembile as umuntu wesilisa like akusebeshone bonke phela. Kusho lokushona ngaka bengenxa yakhe. Bese sina but ayisaquestionwa le nto because uNkulunkulu sifundisa ukuxolela ukuthi kunabantu esingesibaxolele but la sasingena option. And ngendlela kwenzeka ngawo esithile umuntu uyabona ukuthi uyahamba manje. Uzoqala ngimbuzo okwenzelana ukuthi yena manje ayicela ucelize ucela iBhayibheli ucela ngimkhumule uyahamba. Fast. Ngifuna uNkulunkulu wakho unqaba kanjani noNkulunkulu wena bekanzela umusa. So usethi lo mntwana mina ngilokhuzile ngimbonile umalume 3 days after umngcwabo, and fortunately because I had severe attacks, I passed out ngosuku lomngcwabo. Like I passed out. I had a battle eyayixakile futhi. I've learned ukuthi amadimoni ayabuya azobuza ukuthi how dare you.
Yeah.
So I guess wangakwazi ukukhuluma nami ngaleso sikhathi. But usiyabuya nje after a while ukuthi, and ngaleso sikhathi wayesengifundisile umfundisi ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa umuntu ngokukholwa masifunda iBhayibheli umuntu uphele emhlabathini after 3 days. Nabo bayayazi leyo nto. Ukuthi mengcwatshwa they start their rituals ukuthi bamvuse. If behlulekile beyistart. So zaziningi into zayifuneka kumina. Sicela ngoba eyigqokile, sicela usiphe, sicela usinike isithombe ehleli phezulu. Into ezomndeni vele engacelwa umuntu. So manje ngithi mina no kucela kusibanibani. No sikudinga kuwena kanti kusho ukuthi umfundisi the revelation wasima kwavuma nalo it means ukuthi ibheklo inqobile. Usuyayidedela. because kuyaziwa ukuthi umuntu osile the soul with the blood of Christ bekuwena. You see how tricky is this? You wouldn't ngekunaka ungicela isithombe uthi me kanti awazi ukuthi you are going back to the mud. Awungaba ngakwenzanga, they wouldn't even come to umuntu azenza ngathi uyahlanya zobhuquza ethuneni, uyakuthuka lapha but ubhuquza ethuneni la. Into ongayinafu songozuyitshela abantu. I-battle nje, i-chaos yomkhathi. So siyaxoxa kusethini. So ngangifundisiwe ukuthi after 3 days, just to put this straight, ngangifundisiwe after 3 days bayavuswa because they have basuke besebenza babavuse because they have nikele enkosini yabo.
Okay.
Before uNkulunkulu take what is his. So sayasho ke lokuthi hayibo mina ngimbonile umamkhulu umalume isileke ube sendlini yakho endala. Eguqisiwe ilo lonke uhlobo lamadimoni. Imagine umntwana omncane lo. Futhi umuntu ongeke ngisho strong nasekukholweni.
Yeah.
So uthi ubeguqisiwe because ubekhona ukuthi uthanda irap. Uthi malume bemkhuza athi ungayilaleli lo mculo. Abanye abantu bakhona bakulumina kodwa abazi bakhona. Athi yonke le nhlambi ekhulunywa nalezi zinto ezidotshwe emzimbeni. Uthi mangulalela ngenkani uthi bekufike ngathi uqashuka ama headsets. Now I sound like Brother Enigma.
Ngaqali.
But I hear him a lot.
Yeah.
So uthi beqala uqasha ama headsets uthi kodwa uma ngeke ngavuka ngathi ngegama lika Jesu uthi lento ibingethi kimi. So uthi this day umalume wambona ekhunyuliwe izingubo after engcwatshiwe. That's when he found it inside himself uthi ngamxolela. Uthi wayiguqisiwe kwinto 8 khona the pyramid. The pyramid, the sign yobumnyama. Uthi uguqisiwe and twayeshawa.
Sure.
Twayeshawa bembiza ngegama bethu siphukuphuku. Uhlelo kusinika umphefumulo owodwa bebangaka abantu kini. Uthi wayeshawa. So uthi ngaqhamuka ngabuza ukuthi why mina ngingakwazi ukuthola ngoba mina beseningi. Kwathi umuntu obhabhatisiwe igama lika Jesu mabhabhatiso ngumfundisi legitimate they can't. uPaulo umbhabhatiso bahlule kulicracker. So usinde ngobubhatisiwe. Uthi washawa uthi kodwa into engenza ngimxolele lokhethi babethi kwakubuhlungu wathi meshawa wathi nje I can't. Kwathiwa you choose Christ uyamazi wathi yes I choose Christ. Ngimbonile ngimbonile kumuntu ebengimelene naye ekhaya ngomthandazo.
Sure.
Uthi wayeseyangitshela ke wathi wamkhombisa imoto ukuthi lezi imoto ezikanjena enjena ezinikeza uUber. Kwaqhamuka abangani bakhe bethe mfethu sifuna ukuhamba le ndlela oyihambile uthi wayethi nje le ndlela enifuna ehanjwe. I am telling you to go back and accept Christ. Yekani utshwala, yekani ukuthi, yekani this brand clothes. So ngambuka. Osikade ngixoxa nobody can understand it but ngibothi mangiza kuwena. Wasiyasho ukuthi that's when I found. So ngabuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyalasimekinika into angaze njani engenza sense kubantu omsangano then mase lethi confirmation. Because unawo ama episodes okubona lezi zinto abuya azobuza. So and then we understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayemuhle noma ngenzakalani ayikho into manje mina futhi esithe ngangihetha ngomuzwa kaMadlala ukuthi ngaba nepain because ngazi la isilandwe khona ukuthi kahle kahle bese siyizimvu ezibaliwe zesilaheni njengoba ngikutshela every year bekuba nomngcwabo mina ekhaya imgodi we coded.
Sure.
Bese kwazi ukuzohamba abantu singazi and akuqali kuyena kunabantu abangena kulezi zinto angithi ya escalator lento uqala kwayisitholo sezimbuzi kwezimvu wenza izinto engazi walokhu ucela ngegazi iyakhula ngesikhathi nje ukubona seku Illuminati manje asathi ukuthwala sikusaba ukuthwala is nothing compared to ama battles e Illuminati.
Illuminati is very strong. Imapha nje apart from ubrother wakho ukuba against inkolo yakho iziphi imapha amanye ama actions wayewenza since ayisejoin Illuminati.
Masithandazo bengeze ekhaya. Manje khona umthandazo nje. Awuhlangana nje nomthandazo. And when the show ukuthi ukhuluma ini and secondly it's the diet. It's the diet. Sasesicabanga ukuthi uyikroza. Yabona into yokroza lenyama. Ayidla inyama ngalendlela ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngithi bekuhlatshwa. Angithi abantu bayibathethe mawuthi makuhlatshwa kuza amadimoni.
Yeah.
Makuhlatshiwe wayeba aggressive ngalendlela ukuthi inkomo wayiqeda. Noma ungayifaka ku deep freeze ubekela umndeni aliqhekeze ifridge idliwe njalo and babe ne hope yokudoba. Dobe ubulali ufish lapha ehlathini wasekhona.
Hayibo.
Inkukhu nje zibulawa zosiwe khona.
Ah.
Yabo ngifuna in yabo kwakunama habits ongawazi but usuku ungazi nokuthi akunya ngitshela khona manje bangihambe ebusuku nje ngingasabi indawo uyazi ukuthi you are protected. Usually bahamba ebusuku but wami igwala lokuzalwa he was such a sweet boy. But nokuhamba ebusuku ngibone unqamule lesigodi nje ngiyovela ngale mina bani ngiyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngifaka amabhuzu ami endlela futhi ngiyazi njengoba ngiyalapha ngiyo recruit ubani.
Yo.
So umuntu onogazi it's ama qualities omuntu okholwayo ukuthi untokozo influential embusweni okukhanya. So mesimletha ngala khona abantu abakholelwa kuwena but esithi uyacabanga abantu baletha la bangaka abantu baletha la so uzokwazi ukudoba abantu ne-listenership yakhe inganani. So mawuthatha umuntu oyedwa yikho mangabe uthi ngifuna ukuletha lo muntu ofuna ukuletha side le story sikubuke ngamanye amehlo because it means you are polluting the platform. You are compromising, so we are at risk yokuthi sabazalwane kume abantu abangakhothami kwi-altar yethu. So yeah, that's that. It's tricky, it's deep, and abanye bayibona kudala abanye bayibona ngale kwethuna.
Yeah.
Abanye bayibona but emphakathini sihlala kuyona sibuka ingane nje si and okubhlungu kunye ku-introduce emasontweni as much as aba-prophet ababonayo amasonto ukuthi enze ukuthi siwa-defend amasonto ethu because sifuna insebenzelo yakhona sifuna into yakhona but kukhona amabandla osima ubuka khona ibandla kalisho umfundi wacela ukunika leli bandla leli lidala lifike lathenjwa lasiza abantu ngicela ungibukela abantu isisekelo sabo amakhaya bekulelo bandla ukuthi kunjani kuleyo mizi.
Yeah.
And when I looked around baphuza bonke and labantu abangalifunda iBhayibheli because lifunda umuntu othile abanye awazi kwenzakala bavele bashona ngoba lento ukuthi ibandla lami lokuthi ingozi sibizele ebandleni likaKristu lokuveza uKristu la isivela khona njalo hayi ukuveza izinto zami. So yeah, abazali bethu basenkingeni basenkingeni banezingane nama-fits banezingane ezi-autistic banezingane engalalele ey'ngezwa kuthiwa umuntu nje esikoleni akarespondi. Sibuke yonke into imoya engenile emakhaya ebusayo.
Sambonga uNkulunkulu ngawe Ntokozo Lanzimazi. We thank God for your life on this last note. Nokusivezela nje ikakhulukazi the importance of believing God even in times of izinto ezifana nalezi nokusivezela nje ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi umuntu can be initiated yena engekho aware ukuthi kune back leyenzakalayo behind my back they want to initiate me indlela thizeni. Anti ezinye zezinto abantu engathi nje most of us singazinaki lezo wena nje ubone nje izinto sekwenza izinto ezithile nje kanti you were initiated by someone somewhere nje ubusho nje so mhlawumbe ufika umuntu nje angicela something mhlawumbe by giving that person already initiated
yabo umuntu ozongcengela isonto lakhe.
You see
umuntu ongcengela isonto lakhe
nomuntu okuncengela esontweni lakhe
uncenge abona ngathi awukhonza kuncengela isonto lakhe bekiyazi ukuthi uyoba isebenzisa ubumnyama lapho.
Fana lento ukuthi umuntu acela imali
cela imali omunye abanye bazokuthengela utshwala mahala uthe yisiya lapha amafiko ST siphuza ibhodlela la 2000 zibuze nje ukuthi yini ngenza umuntu athenga amabhodlela ka 2000 awu 5 foni yena ningamenzeli lutho siphuze sayisangazazi mevuka siqala ukushintsha senibona ngisho sawo sagcina ku ST lo.
Siyabonga mfethu uzawashada
awuzokwazi ukukhona awuphethe uhlela. I knew that was coming.
Ngeke phela sa broadcast video yakho lapha na strong so ukwazi ukuthi kwabanye abantu abavela lapha bekho baye becela ukushada.
Wey asazingwenye lapha yes ifuna ukuphizela emntonyeni kafish
mokho shada. Serious?
No.
Ufuna ukujuqa phansi?
No.
So kodwa wathi vele ukushada sofuna.
uNkulunkulu osho lokho.
kuwe
uNkulunkulu osho ukuthi umuntu ufanele ashade noma kufanele yini. It depends kwi-calling yakho sesikubonile. Angithi khona abantu esinabo besifazane uthola ukuthi umuntu usezodivorce ka-5 because unalento yokuthi uyakufuna ukushada. Kanti uNkulunkulu akafuni. Kube khona uzothi hayi mina ngifuna ukushada sengihlale phansi simbone seshadile because wayikhuluma inhliziyo yakhe.
but wena uyakufuna.
It's to die for.
Oh yeah, but
Yes.
uyakufuna.
But mangishada angithi uNkulunkulu womndeni ngiyafisa ukuthi ugcobe nginalo kusala imbewu.
uNkulunkulu akuphumile ngempela ongeza ukuthwala ngawe.
Singabe ngakuselula uNkulunkulu uthembekile. uNkulunkulu give you i green light sengabe kuba stubborn kwami. uNkulunkulu gives you i green light ukuthi masifuna into zethu siya ignore.
True.
Siya ignore and nokuthi ke njengoba ngisho sibanjwe khona umuntu ozoqhamuka athi nje yasi indlela ngikubone ngayo lapha ku-ST mina I have a car ngingakunika ngawo ushumayele nginanomuzi.
Need to
Too good to
discern.
be true. Why ukhathazeka kangaka ngishumayelani into ufuna.
But futhi singakudispute ukuthi uNkulunkulu futhi sengabathinta abantu impela amthinta umuntu ukuthi ayazi kunemoto efisa ukunikela.
Yes, but uNkulunkulu will also confirm that.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu will confirm that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thokoza. Sibonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you so much. Kube intokozo nami ukubona. Phela ngagcina vele.
Last year. It was last year.
Sagcina ngelanga sixoxe.
Yes,
Yo, buka nje.
it was. But we are coming back in March.
Wow.
So
Hey, coach. Yeah, I'll appreciate ne.
sizabonana.
Thank you so much.
Sithandaze mfethu. Ukuze labantu bathandaze bangaliyekizwi kaNkulunkulu kuthiwa isikhali sethu esinqoba ngaso.
Sikhulise nathi kulezi zinto esizenzayo.
Wena futhi.
A lot of temptations, a lot of attacks, a lot of recently ngeke ngashare la ukuthi ngeke ngalukuzana ngathemptwa isangoma kabi.
Ngiphe distraction.
A lot of money. So nje hey sibeke emkhulekweni kusiyami. Hayi ngoba imali ngayidinga, hayi ngoba
Siyanibeka
imali.
abafethu noma ningacelanga, siyanibeka.
Eish.
Ngoba siyazi ukuthi if uNkulunkulu raises abantu abafana nani nesihoko soma sithi who is this? So lokho sithi u-ST kanti u-ST usekhuluma inhliziyo yakhe ngoba ukhokhela u-50,000 sigcina singasezi la thina.
True. I'm certain figure at the influence
Yes.
that you are making to the body of Christ. Is that le ingaba more influential for his purpose. So what's in yenza so?
Uzophuca abantu esandleni sakho.
Eish.
Ungasinekeli mfethu. Masuqala ukusinekela uzokuba sinqaba ukuza kwi-podcast.
Lutho. Mina nje into engicela kunini.
uNkulunkulu khona. uNkulunkulu khona.
Covet
We
your
thank God.
prayers.
Yeah,
So nje please.
you are covered.
Ngomhla ka-29 ngiyakumema March sobe sela eThekwini
Sengiyimeme.
sizothandaza.
All
Please
right,
do
my
come.
brother.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Siswami.
much. Siyabonga.
Futhi thank you so much lapho emakhaya sihleli naye udadewethu uNtokozo Lanzimase. Yes, ningakhohlwa umhla ka-29 March sizobe sikhona la eThekwini i-address 139 Victoria Embankment sobe sikhona khona lapho nje lokhu nibona lokhu ngisho siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. uNkulunkulu anigcine ke, uNkulunkulu anibusise nonke lapho emakhaya. I am your host ST Dlamini. See you on the next episode. God bless you.